The product of four numbers is 360. Three of the numbers are 2, 5, and 7. Find the fourth number. So this is how we are going to go by it. It says four numbers. So 2, 5, 7. Yes, we left it 1. So we put a variable there as an x. These four numbers, the product is giving us 630. So now let's go. 2 times 5 times 7 times an x is equal to 630. So here I'll leave the numbers as they are, as 2 times 5 times 7 times an x equals, I'll break the 630 down as 63 times 10. So let's go. Over 2 times 5 times 7. Divide both sides by that. 2 times 5 times a 7. So this will go, 7 goes here once, goes here 9 times. 5 goes here once, goes here twice. 2 goes here once, and then it cancels that. So now we have our x to be 9. So that will be our final answer as 9. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section, and then you share with your friends. Bye bye.